Hi Zoe, Nicholas from CONEC here to show you another video to cover the different materials that we've been discussing in our email. I have here indicated the metallized plastic bulkhead, the black plastic bulkhead, and then the die-cast version with the jam nut. You had already seen the 4-hole flange version, but I just wanted to show you these three so that they all stay with the same panel cutout. Each of them has a distinctive property, and each of them obviously have different price points. What I want to show you is how the respective cable assembly mates with each of the bulkheads. Specifically, listen for the audible click for each one. First one I'm going to use is the metallized plastic to metallized plastic version. And then we're going to go with the black plastic to the black plastic version. And then the die-cast version with the die-cast bulkhead. Each of them, once they are mated, they are IP67 rated. You can combine the different types of material with the bulkheads and the different cable assemblies. I can use the die-cast version on the black plastic version. The only concern we have is sometimes when you're using a plastic bulkhead, the channels tend to wear down, or vice versa. If you're using a metal bulkhead, then the pins on the cable assembly bayonet tend to wear down. So we try to stay with the same material as the bulkhead as the cable assemblies. Please review the video and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, and look forward to dealing with you more on this project.